Hey guys, how's it going? Long time no chat. Been a while since I've done a video, about 2 weeks. So if you saw my last video, you know that I moved. So I'm still trying to get things situated. My room is pretty much done, like 95% done. I still have to put stuff up on the walls, but that's about it. Everything is where I want it to be and everything is set up. I did all of that last weekend. It took me 3 days. I took the whole weekend and got everything set up. Like I said, all I have to do is put stuff up on the walls. I still need to get the tension rods for my little pegboard system that I want to do, because I don't want to put it on the wall. But anyway, yeah, I'm sorry I haven't been posting as much as I usually do. I usually post once a week. I think I said that in the last video too. Hopefully I'll be able to get back into it, and now that everything's set up, I'll be able to craft again. And actually, you can see here I was actually crafting earlier, so I wanted to kind of just get back into it without filming. So I did these are business cards. Here I had these in my stash. I bought a long time ago for something. I don't even remember what, and so I decided to use them. I only have 3 sheets left, so I did these, and so I wanted to do some more with you guys and show you how I did them. So these ones are pretty neutral, all browns, and I didn't tea dye the paper on these ones. So like these ones here, I coffee dyed the paper. So I'm going to be doing these ones with you guys, and I'm going to do some more colors and stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and just craft and not talk, because I always have trouble talking when I'm doing stuff like this, and like, you know, it ends up being pretty quiet. So I think I'm just gonna not talk, and then I'll just put some music to it and let you guys watch. So let's go ahead and get started. Put these away. I love the way these ones came out. They're real cute. I'm gonna get some more stamps and stuff, and I have some watercolors, some metallic ones. These are the ones I got from Pop Shelf. So I'm going to be doing some of that. I love all the colors in this. I need to get some white paint. And then these are ones I got from Dollar Tree a while ago. And these are just regular paints, watercolors. So let me go ahead and get set up, and I'll be right back. Okay, there's one. Sorry I didn't keep filming. I think I put a little too much teal in it, so I'm gonna go easy next time on that. Or maybe I'll try the Salvage Patina. I didn't use that one. So let's go ahead and do the next one, and I'll show you the whole one on that one. So I'm gonna try to find some more stamps to use, and I'll be back. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do some background stamping first, and then I'll go in with the other stuff. Okay, so I took one apart to see what it would look like. I do have to ink the edges. I forgot about that. I haven't done that on these ones either. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna, well, let me use vintage photo. I'm not gonna do all of them on camera because I don't want to bore you guys. Yeah, that looks better. Let's just do some of them and then I'll do the rest of them later. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Like I said earlier, I should be able to get back into filming more and get more videos up so I can get my channel back on track. I've been, lagging on views and stuff like that. I should be able to get back into it, so I will have a room tour for you guys soon. I'm not sure when, but hopefully in the next couple weeks at least. I still have to get stuff hung up on the walls, so I don't want to do it until that's done. Everything else is done. I mean, even the closet, which is shocking. So I should be in the next couple weeks. I will try to get stuff hung up on the walls. I didn't do it this weekend because I was trying to get at least one video done, if not two. So far I've only got one. It says Saturday night and I'm still filming one video. So okay, so I got them all taken apart. I need to ink them still because I forgot to do that on even these ones. So I did ink a few earlier on camera with you guys. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to the channel for that room tour when it comes up. Hit that bell button so you can get notified when that does go up. Like I said, hopefully it'll be in the next couple weeks. I'm not sure if my desk will be done by then because, as I said in the last video, the moving video, I'm going to be replacing the tabletop on this desk. So like right now, this here is just that stuff from Dollar Tree. I just taped it onto it. I didn't actually put it down. I wanted to have a nice background for you guys. But yeah, I'm not sure if the desk will be done by the time I do the room tour. I don't want it to be too long before I do it. So if not, I will show you that in another video. The video should be coming out soon. I just want to get some stuff up on the walls and everything, and then I'll get that out to you. So I hope you subscribe to the channel, like the video if you did like this one, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye guys.